Robbie, we're here at Birch Creek Golf Course in Smithfield, Utah.
Yep.
What a beautiful day.
It is gorgeous. Can't complain. Not a cloud in the sky.
I know.
Sun's
it is
coming
absolutely stunning. I have a feeling that, I might really enjoy my time here.
Well, I hope you do.
But I need you to teach me the ropes.
Well, we'll see.
I don't have a clue what I'm doing. It's all about looking the part,
It
right?
is looking the part. You've got the hat. You've got,
I've got the hat.
Got the clubs.
I've got the clubs.
Yep.
But do I have the skill? I don't know. We're going to see.
Yeah, let's get into it.
All right, let's do it. I've known you for a few years now.
Yeah.
Just a few. How many?
Couple.
20,
20, almost 22.
Almost 22 years. Holy smokes. Wow.
Yeah.
And, watching you grow up, you've always had that little creative gene in you. Where do you think that comes from?
Well, it definitely was fostered by my parents.
Yeah, I'd say both of them are pretty darn creative.
Yeah. And so watching my mom, of course, make patterns herself, and my dad just doing all sorts of creative projects, sparking that gene in me.
Yeah. When did you start golfing?
I think I picked up, this will be year 3 now.
Really?
So I feel like I'm now just kind of understanding it, I'm finally like a little confident in doing it.
So I want to play a little, do you know what I know?
Okay.
All right, you ready for this?
Yeah,
okay,
let's
so
see.
Robbie, I'm going to ask you something that I know if you know the answer to, and then you ask me something that you know about golf and see if I know.
I'm liking this.
Okay, all right. So first up, let's do, how about a fat quarter? Do you know what a fat quarter is?
Oh, well, of course it's a cut of fabric.
Yeah, well, that's good.
I'll go broad, maybe a little quarter yard.
Ooh,
I'll use some context clues.
You know what? You always were so very smart. Yes. All right. So good job. Yeah, it basically is a quarter yard, but it's cut in half on the fold when it comes off of the bolt.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Chris, what's a birdie?
In the sky.
Tweet.
A little tweet. I've heard that term before around my house.
Yeah.
I have no clue what it means.
Oh.
I think it might have something to do with one above or one below, or maybe 2 above or 2 below. I don't know.
Well, hopefully you hear it more than you don't, but it's one below. It's a good thing. Oh. It's a good thing.
Yeah, because in golf,
it's
you want to be
one below par.
You want to be lower.
Yeah, you want to be lower.
We're not trying to get the highest score.
No. So I
always say I won and I got the highest score.
Yeah.
And all of you golfers would be like, she doesn't know what she's talking about. Right?
Yep. Yeah. And then going with that, what's a bogey?
Ooh, a bogey. I got nothing.
No words?
No, a bogey. What is it?
It's about the opposite of a birdie. So it's one above.
One above. So you'd rather have a birdie than a bogey?
Most definitely, yeah. Unfortunately, I see more bogeys on the card than not. Found ourselves in a bad spot.
Yeah.
Not where you want to be.
No.
So you're going to take your feet, kind of wiggle them down into the sand.
Okay.
And then just kind of put your club down.
Am I in a good position right
Just right behind the ball.
Right behind the ball.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yep. And then as hard as you can, just smack into that sand.
Oh, boy.
I'll get out of your way.
Oh, boy. Okay. All right. I got this.
Oh. Yeah.
Not quite.
Let's
try it again. Okay.
Okay, so get back into that stance.
There we go.
Put your club right behind it.
Okay.
And come through. Hey!
Yes. Okay, I got this. We finally made it to the putting green.
Yeah.
It took a minute.
It took a second.
We're here.
Yeah.
We're here. So I got to grab a putter, right?
Yep.
there's a lot of different clubs here.
Yeah.
I think I know what the putter looks like.
Yeah.
It's this one right here. But this looks pretty, this looks impressive.
Yeah, that one's slick.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see if it
We'll see if it
does
can
some
do
magic
something.
sauce on me.
They always say a $500 club don't fix a $5 swing. So we're going to see how that goes for
There you
it.
go. So, what's the trick to a good putt?
Sweet, yeah. So you'll line up, club in hand, right?
Okay.
Yep, here we go.
Should I be at a certain stance?
Just whatever feels kind of comfortable. Maybe a little bend in the knees,
Okay.
yeah.
Don't be so stiff.
And then just kind of rock your club back and forth. Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh boy.
And then, yeah, you'll just try and kind of aim at the hole.
just try really hard.
Yeah. You know, that's the whole question of golf.
You go first.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go ahead. Let's see if I can't
All
do
right.
something here. Just like that.
Oh, yes. Okay, just like that.
Just like that.
Oh,
That's
geez.
right.
No pressure. No pressure.
Okay, Kris. Yeah, a little bend in the knees. Yep, a little sway.
So nervous.
Oh! Almost.
Okay.
Oh! Dang it.
Is this when you just go like this?
Yeah, tap in.
Yes. Tap in. Okay.
Good shot.
Wow. Wow. Nothing like 3 right here.
Oh, you know.
All by itself. It's
You
fine.
get used to it.
It's fine. So, Robbie, we're waiting on a hole right now.
Yeah.
So we might as well have a bit of a conversation,
Yeah.
right? So tell me a little bit more about these quilts that you've done.
Yep.
For one, the one that really caught my attention immediately was the name of grass clippings.
Yeah.
I loved it. Tell me what made you come up with that.
Yeah, so when you think about a golf course, you got the sand traps.
Yeah.
And then you've got the beautiful green fairways.
Yeah.
I thought about that because not only does that tie to like grass and all that, but also just growing up with my dad teaching me how to mow the lawn.
Mm-hmm.
And so you're cutting off the top of the grass as it kind of
Yeah.
fades into that white.
Oh,
So
I love
grass
that.
into sky.
Grass into sky. I
Yeah.
love that. I think that's one of the things I'm drawn to with these small quilts that you created was the fact that it is very modern and they do have a story behind them too,
Yeah.
right? So the fact that you mentioned about your dad and growing up and the grass clippings, I think there's something really special about that. I would say that as, you know, we're here early this morning,
Yeah.
I smell the grass clippings.
Yep.
It's
Yeah,
been
fresh
freshly
cut.
mowed and there's just something really amazing about that, right?
Yeah. It's the best smell ever too. I love the smell of fresh cut grass.
Yeah, we've got grass clippings,
Yep.
and then we have argyle.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about argyle. This
One's
is
a little
a
more
fun one.
funky.
Yeah, I love it.
I mean, of course, that's that classic golf kind of pattern. And so I want to kind of tie it in, make it a little bit more modern. It's like kind of zoomed in.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah,
But I love the way it turned out.
it is. I do too. I think
Yeah.
it's very clean. It's sharp. It's crisp.
It'll look great.
What is it about argyle that makes us think golf? Is that because of their knickers that they used
Yeah,
to
I was
wear?
gonna say the pants up and down. Oh.
Oh man, don't you wish you had some of those right now?
Yeah, I'd be looking a lot more fresh.
You know what? You would be able to pull that one off for
Yeah.
sure. I think my favorite is hole in one.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Who doesn't want to have a hole in one, right?
I mean, yeah, that's the goal, right?
Yeah. But it's kind of cool how you designed it. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so I thought about a golf ball. It's got hexagons all along it, and so I
Yeah.
wanted to tie those in.
I think the color choices you made too were very poignant. There was a definite reason why you chose those colors.
Yeah. Yeah, so the green and gold are classic golf colors. So I just needed to include those.
You did well, my friend.
Hey, well, thanks.
I'm so proud of you. That is so cool. Oh my goodness, I love it. Hey, we just wanted to do a big shout out to Birch Creek Golf Course out in Smithfield, Utah, who let us come up here today and have a whole lot of fun.
Yeah, it's my favorite course.